I'm Jordan Cook, and today I'll be reading for the children of Africa 50 Shades of Grey. A great novel written by some desperate man or woman. Anyway, let's continue. Oh, wrong page. Hello, I'm Jordan Cook, and today I will be reading a scripture or passage from 50 Shades of Grey. Woe, and I come, loudly gripping for dear life onto the sink as I spiral down through my orgasm, and that is words I've had to live by. I've been Jordan Cook. Goodbye. Hello, my name's Jordan Cook. For fuck's sake, Kevin! I'm fucking Hello, my name's Jordan Cook, and today I'll be reading a passage out of 50 Shades of Grey. I groan as the sensation registers sharp and clear in my groin. Oh, fuck.
We should get the cat.
Hello, I'm Jordan. Come on! Oh, hello, I'm Jordan Cook.
I don't do it!
I'm sorry, Lives.
I just went down. Keep going.
Hello, I'm Jordan Cook, and today we'll be reading a passage out of 50 Shades of Grey. Kevin, for fuck's sake! Hello, I'm Jordan Cook, and today I'll be reading a passage out of 50 Shades of Grey. Oh, Anna! You thought this was rosy wine. This is actually Zambuca. And now introducing my two little friends. Ellie, the depressed elephant.
Hey
Jimmy,
guys!
the retarded monkey.
Hey guys!
Hey Jimmy.
Hey John!
How you doing?
I'm okay!
What about you, Ellie?
Yeah, I guess I'm okay.
I don't care.
I love you, John!
It's a shame, isn't it? Goodbye. Hello,
Hey.
Jimmy.
Dude!
How was school today?
I don't go to school.
How was...
My parents never loved me, but I love them.
Nobody loves you, Jimmy.
I know, but I
That's
still get
words
on with
to
my
also
life.
go by children. Don't buy puppets.
Bye guys!